Hello everyone, let's paint some eucalyptus today. So these are the supplies I'm using today. So this is the paper that I'm using from Fabriano. It's a watercolor paper, and then this is the color olive green from Winsor and Newton. It's from their professional series, and this is the indigo color from Winsor and Newton Cotman series. And today I'll be using a size 1 brush from Da Vinci Maestro and another brush which is size 5, also from Da Vinci Maestro. Okay, so I'll start painting my leaves with the olive green, and if you see the eucalyptus leaves are somewhat rounder in shape. You can find some reference on the net. I have this branch with me that I was looking at, but I'm not making it exactly like the branch I had. I'm just making a one long branch with a lot of leaves here. So some of the leaves are overlapping each other. There are some leaves which are small in the top, and then then some big and some smaller ones, some longer ones. Sometimes when you see the branch, they may look flat on one side. And sometimes, one big leaf is pointing towards you and one leaf is away. So you're just putting all different kind of shapes here. And the paper that I'm using here is quite textured, so you can see the texture through the leaves also, and through the paint in the, and I'm painting, you can see that texture here. I think it's a good paper for beginners. It's or for anybody. It's not very expensive, and you get many. I think there are 30 sheets in one pad. So here first I'm painting all the leaves, and then I will add the stem here. So for the stem I'm using the thin one. So this is the size 1 brush. And for the leaves I was using the slightly bigger size 5. So now I'm just adding some indigo to all the leaves. The leaves are still wet, so the color will spread here. So in this painting there are only 2 colors. I'm using green just because if you sometimes see at the leaves, wherever there is a shadow, the color looks dark. So I'm adding indigo for that. So if the leaves have already dried up, you can maybe just use a little bit of water to spread it. So that's it. This is your 5-minute eucalyptus branch. Thank you.